good evening, afternoon, morning, whatever the time may be, and welcome to this, the first state of channel update. It's the end of the year. I know this channel's only been going for about 6 months, but in 6 months we've got 33 subscribers, so we've not done too bad. I apologise for the lack of videos this month. It's because the Christmas period is just very mental and I haven't been able to get recording done of the miniatures and get them all up and running. So there won't be that many more coming this year, but they will start again as of the beginning of January. So the miniature videos and the lore will return. If there is any miniatures that you would love to know lore about and would like to know more, do comment below and let me know which ones you would love to know more about, and I can see if I have it in my collection. If not, I will probably pick it up, paint it, and then put it in the videos. I would love to know also, how do you feel about the videos? Are they good? I would love feedback. Give me any feedback is good feedback to me. Even if you don't like the videos and you dislike it, it still tells me that those type of videos, that specific race, for example, may be the one you don't like. But I know that there is opinions across the internet that could be or could not be. So we've done 33 subscribers in 6 months. Yes, that may not seem like a lot to a lot of people, but to me, I think that's pretty good considering my entire content has been 40k, apart from a few music videos at the beginning. As I said, there will be more videos coming in the new year, and over the next year I do plan on continuing to paint models. I may even also do some AOS lore as well, so that's Age of Sigmar. So we shall see how things go. So thank you everyone for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for the likes of the comments as well. I really appreciate them. Again, if you would like to comment more and would like to know more about a certain unit, do comment below and let me know. And I will catch you all in the new year. Have a happy holiday everybody, and a great new year, and New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. And I will see you all next year. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.